What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick little review, if you will, on this little bad boy right here. This is the Sonic Pad from Creality. So this is the Creality Sonic Pad. It is designed to be an all-in-one solution for Klipper screen and for Klipper. So basically, for you as for y'all that don't know, Klipper is a software application that allows you to basically get a lot more out of your printer as far as how your printer runs. So basically, excuse the glare, by the way. I'm sorry about that. It's just the light I'm using for my camera. Um, so basically, what it does is it allows your board in your printer to just do things such as run the motors. It doesn't do any calculations or anything like any G code. Basically, this is what does all the calculations and all the G code and all that. And then this just basically does the work, right? So it's like the command center and then the work. Okay. So, anyways, Klipper screen right here. It is Klipper screen and Klipper all in one. Let's just turn that on so you can see. All right. So that's the screen right there. This is right now. This is how it looks right now during setup. Okay. Anyways, so I recently pre-ordered this. Got this on pre-order. It was $159 US. Got it from Creality. And now comes the story, right? Anyways, recently purchased it, got it recently in the mail, and I initially had it for my Ender 2 V2 or Ender 2 Pro. Did not work for that. Did not work for that at all. In the setup menu, there's not even an Ender 2 option in the setup menu for firmware. There's no, even for the Ender 5, there's no real options in there for the proper board that came with the Ender 5. So, anyways, so I tried to do some things. I tried to get setting it up. I tried various different ways of setting it up on the Ender 2. I tried using aftermarket boards. So I tried using this board right here, which is an SKR Mini E3. E3 V2. Try using this exact board. I tried using another E3 board that I have on hand. Didn't work. I then tried using a stock Creality board. This is a stock Creality board right here, okay? That didn't work. Pain in the ass. So I get frustrated. So, because I'm doing some print farming, I have a print farm that I'm building. I purchased a brand new Ender 3 Neo. So this is Ender 3 Neo. Comes with a BL Touch on it already. Comes with your generic screen, whatever. But not bad. Comes with a glass bed. I actually end up getting a PEI sheet. Okay, so this is an aftermarket PEI sheet from Creality that I purchased for this printer. Fast forward to the last night. Finally got the printer in. Decided to set this up. It flashed perfectly fine. Okay, the flashing is kind of a pain in the ass to flash it. You have to make sure that the SD card actually flashes to, that the firmware actually flashes to the SD card because it doesn't always do it. I don't know why, but it just doesn't always flash to the SD card. But anyways, I got it to flash to the SD card. Put the SD card into the printer. Printer firmware flashes to the printer. Started doing the process of self-testing. All right, hit next. Hit next. Now get to this part right here. Right now, this is right here is the the Z-axis offset calibration. And before I do this right here, because it's already caused so much damage. Now this is a brand new PEI metal PEI sheet, and if you look at that right there, that's a scratch. It's a deep scratch. Okay, that is one of 2 or 3. Maybe it's the same one. That was made worse over time. Okay, the side of the sheet and the bed are just all kinds of like marked up and scarred because look at that. Before I even did anything else, error. Printer is not active. Blah blah blah. Printer is actually active. Whatever. Not the point. every time I try and do the bed leveling, and I've leveled this, like the screws right here are all the way down. They can't go any further really. I can really crank. I have to. You can see my muscle working. I'm actually cranking this down. Um, so I can crank this down as far as it goes. I mean, like I can show the motor, the springs. The springs are pretty compressed. Anyways, calibration sucks. So I can hit this down. Let's go this right here. Now I can raise this up manually. I'm going to raise it up manually with my finger. Okay, just so as not to cause any real damage, right? Okay. Home was on the X fine, home was on the Y fine. And boom. And you get that message right there. This is what happened when I first started the setup process. It was nowhere near. I'm talking nowhere near. I mean, that's my whole finger under there right there. That's how off it was. And it's telling me right now that's 0.0 offset. When I first got it, it was showing 3.62 millimeters for like 362 millimeters for offset. It wasn't even close to that. Okay, so let's do it again. Go through the process again. It goes down, homes, not even close. Now, I can lower this a little bit manually. Now, you guys can see it's pretty low. Okay. Now, I'm going to be safe about this. I'm going to raise it just a hair. Okay. Now, first off, if I hit this right here, nothing. You see that icon moving. You don't see the numbers increasing or decreasing. The motor is not moving. It's not even communicating. So I have no idea what's being done. I have no idea what is being sent to this when I'm looking at the screen right here. So I'm going to do this again. Okay, so we're going to watch this again. We're going to watch what happens. It's already crashed into the bed. Now watch. You're going to hear it. It's going to be horrible. That's what you get. And you get that error right there. So after homing for several times over whatever, you get the initial extremely high homing, and then you get this horrible crash into the bed. Oh, and then you get there it is. I found another set of scratches on the bed. Brand new PEI sheet destroyed. Essentially, I have to buy another PEI sheet because this is crap. So buy everywhere. Don't buy it. I'm returning this thing. I'm just gonna set up Klipper myself on this and just go and Klipper screen. I should have just gone my gut and not. I was excited. I guess I was excited about it. I have an older screen right here that I can attach to this with Klipper screen, and I'll be fine. I got plenty of Raspberry Pis. I was just going for ease of access, but ease of use, whatever. But this is what happens when you're trying to do something with ease from Creality. You get screwed over. So buyer beware. Don't buy this. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your time. You'll be frustrated. You'll be pissed off. And don't watch any other YouTubers to show you that how easy it is. Whatever units that they got were like pristine units that they probably tested 1,000 times over before they're leaving the facility. This thing was probably tested once and it's been shit the whole time. So buyer beware. Don't buy it. Don't get it. It's crap. All right. If you like this video, if you found it informative and you liked it, please like, subscribe, hit the notification button. I'm gonna have more videos like this. Again, I have nothing against Creality as a whole. I'm gonna give my honest opinion about something, and this is my honest opinion about this product, and honestly, it's crap. So don't buy it.